What up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. Y'all know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. Let's get off into that. On today's episode of the Ginger, we finna head out and get them louvers. Finally got them done and they painted. Y'all wanna hear something? Woo! I just wanted to test it out, you know. Anyway, we going to get these damn louvers or whatever. They finally got them painted. I'm headed out there to get them right now. Should be putting them on sometime this weekend. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I'm straight up excited about this, man. Finally, like, I know shit. If I'm excited, I know y'all excited, cause I've been taking enough time as is. I gotta put my seatbelt on. I don't know why I always leave this dang on seatbelt off. I used to roll with my seatbelt all the time, man, but anyway. Like I say, I don't really want to talk your ear off too much. Louvers on the way, you dig? Side louvers didn't really need to get painted, but the back ones got painted. By the way, this YouTube is brought to you by yours truly, St. Louis, baby. I'm St. Louis down, St. Louis to the core today. I'm feeling real St. Louis-ish, you dig? You know, just rep the city a little bit. Yeah, man. It's feeling getting kind of surreal that let this down so y'all can hear something. It's getting kind of surreal. Oh shit, pass up the down exit and shit. It's all good. Matter of fact, I'll leave that for another video. All that shit usually a flood over sometimes, like, especially when it rains real hard. Yeah, we almost at the spot now. Probably about a good 30 more seconds and we'll be at the spot. Pick up the louvers and Alright, we pulling up to the spot. Get these down louvers. That mother hard right there. Yeah, we up at the spot. They done with dig. Yes sir. Right, we up in this. I should have probably got a mask on too. Finally up here though. I'm gonna get this down louver. Get my mask on first, you dig? You know what I'm saying? You can't be catching that shit they got out here. Catch none of that bug. They said they'd be back in 10 minutes. Yeah, that looks beautiful.
There you go, shiny black.
Shiny black.
What was that thing?
Oh, my little cam.
That's your camera?
Mm-hmm. Look, GoPro. Yeah, finally got the Louvers nice and shiny. That's gonna look real good. All done. Hey, oh, what's going on? Putting them Louvers in. Y'all know what it is. Y'all can't lie, boy. Them Louvers look hard as a motherfucker, don't it? I can't wait to throw them motherfuckers on. I know my French be all fucked up, man, but hey, this ain't no kid channel anyway, man. This for the grown folks, goddammit. For the grown folks, I got my shit.
Kill that noise, man.
I got my shit.
What shit he talking about, man?
Man, what type of insane in the membrane type of shit?
Hey, man, them Louvers finna straight up change the game for real, man. I gotta get them on like ASAP. I gotta clean my car up like ASAP. Like now I'm ready to clean this motherfucker up. Woo! That shit that's gonna set me off real good, man. With the Louvers on that mug, little bitty side. What in the hell? Louvers in this mug, the side markers in this mug. I'm missing a splitter. I need a front splitter. That mug sound good, bro. I don't know what that is. But I'm missing a front splitter and my wrap. Once I get that wrap, the front splitter, man, come on, man. This motherfucker gonna be hard, man. What you talking about? Really don't know what type of Volkswagen this mug is. That mug sounds straight up good. Listen to it. Don't play with me, boy. But monster up under her. Now I'm gonna get him on the highway. Ready for work. Finally got them Louvers finished and done with me. Hit my boy up, man. That nigga ain't ready for this shit. It's hard, man. Yeah, matter of fact, I ain't gonna hit my boy. I'm gonna hit the man that's supposed to be helping. Where you at, boy? Yeah, man. Got them old Louvers. Just came back from on the other side. Getting them Louvers. Ready to put them on in a minute now, boy. Them mother look good.
You say you got them?
Yeah.
That may go right there. Paint their ass up.
Man, that mother look good.
You set them up there?
No, I ain't set it up there. I just put it in the car and left. I just got back. I'm on the other side of town now. Back on this side of town. Look. Look at that Mopar back here. Since you want to fly, that's what you want to fly. Get ready for work. Try to park crooked in here a little bit. It's all good. We in here.